Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account in the FXlift broker. In the section up, you click on My Profile and then click on Document Upload. In the verification section, you select the type of document where you can first choose a national ID card, passport, or driver's license. And by clicking in this section, you upload your document and make sure to upload a picture of the front of your ID card. In this section, you save a description for your file and click on Submit. Your document was successfully submitted. Click on Browse again and upload a picture of the back of your ID card with a description by clicking on this option. The save file should be a document like a bill or a bank statement to prove your address, for which you click on this option. We select Proof of Address and choose the desired document in the Proof of Address section. We click on Browse and upload the desired document. We enter a description for our document and click on Submit, and your document is successfully sent. To check the status of your verification, you click on My Profile and then click on Status. After 1 business day, our account was verified through ID card and proof of address. Good luck.